awkward angle I'm holding this at for the camera. So immediately, right out of the box, we're testing the waterproofness of the VOTATU units, okay? So it suffers, so the waterproof test shows me something. The laser suffers from the common problem where if a little bubble of water gets in there, your laser is going to be distorted. We have the full light and laser on this one. I'm not seeing any laser distortion, but you do have to, like, if water gets where the laser comes out, you're gonna like experience that fuzzy green laser problem. You have to like take your shirt and you have to like get the water off the laser cap or it's gonna be fuzzy. This is a fairly common problem, but I have seen some high-end lasers do that. So that's the first problem. We're getting like a red light. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. We're getting like a red light indicator. I don't know if that's good news or what. What's that red light mean? It's like a red light. I figured out what the red indicator light is. The red indicator light is when you're in infrared mode, so that way it tells you, hey, your infrared mode's going off. It will let you know when it's on because you can't see that with the naked eye, so it puts a little red dot in the corner to let you know you're shining IR laser everywhere. This has 6 different modes. This has infrared light, infrared laser, invisible laser, invisible light. It has like all the modes basically, like everything. You got momentary on off. You got double tap strobe. You got all that stuff. That makes this a particularly versatile light. This is a pretty serious budget light that has like real tactical capability so far. Both units have passed the waterproof test. We're gonna move on now. The VOTATU is made in China. Okay, is what it is. But I like it. It was made to pretty good specifications. I didn't get any finickiness when I actually tested it, and I even moved the dial while it was wet. Like I did things to intentionally like screw them up, and I wasn't able to screw them up. Which, I mean, this is kind of what I do with products. Okay, I'm not nice to these companies a lot of time. I want them to produce good products. I'm not willing to put my reputation on the line for something that's not good. I've shown that time and time again. So I put these guys through the ringer. I really gave these guys a real torture test. Me personally, it meets all of my standards, okay? I know it's not one of the big brands that like we all hear and love or whatever, but I've tested it. It works for my needs. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.